Jason at Magnolia Tire Pro and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. However, this replacement was fairly simple with the right tools. Today we are replacing a set of front Complete Strut Assemblies on a 2006 Ford Focus. This front set fits the 2006 to 2011 Focus, all models. We recommend using Speedy Struts by Sensen when replacing your worn-out struts. Speedy Struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. Sensen uses OE-grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium-grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high-quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality, Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 21mm socket, a 15mm socket, an 18mm socket, a 13mm socket, and you'll also need pliers, a hammer or mallet, and a pry bar.
The 21mm, so like nuts. So I'm going to remove the clip for the brake hose that connects to the strut. Clip. Next thing I'll remove is the sway bar link attachment to the strut. That is a 15. And I'm going to remove this bolt right here. That is going to be an 18. Down. It's a 13. Those were 13. That's it. That is 18. Bar link back up. Tight. And tire.
This concludes our front and complete strut assembly installation on a 2006 Ford Focus. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.